Hello and welcome to Gaslands Racing. Today we got an exciting race between AO driving the Gladiator versus Miranda driving the pink Wench. But first, let's take a look at the track for the new Gaslands Racing subscribers. The cars are going to start here on the suicide at the top, come down a 45-degree angle super fast in this two-lane straight around bend number 1 here where our camera is waiting to capture the moment, and then there's gate number 1 over there. If they pass that, they get a gate point. There's 4 gates in total including the finish line, and each gate is going to give the driver a point. Then they're going to come around here, turn number 2, our Gasland silos, and come through gate number 2 here where basically our Gaslands camera helicopter crashed last season, destroyed the road. We didn't have time to fix it, but that's where the drivers are gonna have to go, and that's called the construction shite, by the way. And then they're gonna come down here, turn number 3 around our BFG and the Ember Prime monster truck, fire breathing devastator, so stay away from him. Then there's gate number 3 here down the straightaway into turn number 4 where we've seen a lot of crashes, but if they survive that turn, there is just a straightaway left for them to accomplish here. Straight down, super high speed into a jump into the finish line where our Gaslands TV camera crews are waiting with the satellite, broadcasting to all you viewers here. Now this jump is really fun. It's dangerous, but if they make it, they're gonna have to try to avoid the drills here on these old abandoned vehicles. And there's our famous pipe dream. If a car lands in there, the driver wins a ticket to Mars. He could do whatever he wants with it. He could give it to a fan, he could give it to a family member, or get off this rock. Now, I'm going to take the truck down here and settle into my bunker where I'm going to be commentating on the races from there in safety from all the explosions. But first, let's take a look at the cars. We got Miranda from USA driving the pink Wench. She likes large caliber rounds and she loves drifting. But she dislikes speed bumps. Don't we all? Those things ruin our suspension. And she's going to be driving against AO from Canada. He's driving the Gladiator. He likes following the law, and he dislikes outlaws. He's sponsored by Eurofilms, which is a small film studio run by his son. So go take a look and support him over there. Alright. They are under here at the suicide, getting ready to take the elevator up to the starting point. Who is it gonna be? Pink Wench or Gladiator? Place your bets. They are off on the first track. Ooh, Gladiator comes down really hard, coming backwards for some reason. And Pink Wench is going there perfectly over the construction site into the finish line. What happened to Gladiator? Oh, he's still... No, he's not. Thought he was gonna make it, but he crashed right at turn number 3 there. Let's do race number 2, and they're off. Our helicopter's having a hard time following the race here. I think we're going to be firing this cameraman. Pink Wench makes it to the end, and where is... Oh, here he is. Oh, spinning all around. Will he make it to the finish line? Did he... Yes, he made it. He passed the finish line. I want to see a replay of this. How did he end up at the finish line here? He was on his roof, spinning around. Almost didn't make it. Coming down on his roof. Hits something that makes him go on his wheels, and wind and gravity makes him cross the finish line. Let's do number 3 here, and they're off. Wench in the front, speeding super fast. Oh no, Gladiator went off the construction site. Wench finishes the race, but man, Gladiator must be really mad. He didn't even fire his gun once this race. No. Oh, he's shooting at her from the top of the hill. He destroys the pink Wench, calling it a day. Let's take a look at some stats. She comes in weighing 33 grams. Gams are nice. And she got 12 gate points, and she won 3 of the races. All of the races. Good for you. And let's take a look at some stats for Gladiator. Probably not a really good day for him. His best time was 6.8 down the track. He only got 8 gate points. He didn't win any of the races. But, you know, he had an opportunity to fire and shoot his gun, so that's always a fun thing to do. All cars were sent in by Gaslands TV fans. Guys, if you want to send in your cars for next year's tournament 2022, prepare your cars because we're going to be getting a lot of submissions and a lot of cars in, and you're going to be racing against others. It's going to be fun. You need some help modifying your cars? Well, we got you covered. Check out our Etsy page where we have loads of 3D printed stuff, from guns to rams, tires, wings. We even have like satellite dish. We got even police mods now, flame effects, flamethrowers, all kinds of stuff to modify your car. They come in a really cool Gaslands TV container. And also check out our Facebook page where you could actually win one of those containers every month. So thanks for the support, guys. I hope you enjoyed these races, and there's a few more coming for 2021, and then I'll be back to modeling. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.